It's about 8:30 in the morning and I'm getting ready to head out to day 6 of EMDR training into the blizzard. I'm looking outside at it right now. I'll show you in just a second. I'm so excited about this training with Dr. Laurel Parnell of the Parnell Institute. She's just amazing. She's demonstrated to us each day how much this evidence-based method for rapidly processing stuck information, whether it's negative beliefs or traumatic experiences that are stuck in your right brain, how quickly using this method it can be processed through the right and left brain to really free people of the symptoms of trauma and blocking negative beliefs. So I'm really excited to get back there today and see what she has in store for us. And I'll take you out on this little trip into the snow with me. So let's go, enjoy. It's gonna be fun.